Hey guys, Scott Hudgins here, Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2025 Forest River Rockwood Mini LITE 2214S. Murphy bed up front, great couples camper. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, before we head inside, remember watch all the way till the end of the video. I'll show you a clip of the slide in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. Moving inside, you've got your VRV lights, controls right here. Control your awning, your slide, check your holding tanks. But staying at the entry door, bathroom, kitchen, slide, Murphy bed up front. So this is basically a modified 2104. Made some changes to the bathroom, some storage, but they've just made the 2104 a little more camper friendly. The Murphy bed, this is where we'll start. I'll show you a link down below kind of comparing some of the other Murphy beds, but this particular one, Rockwood does a great job. So your sofa, you've got cup holders, you've got footrest that kick out. They give you a great video and instructions on how to use this, but very simple. You drop the sofa down like so. You got two locks, and they do have the shock assist, so it's taking some of the weight off for you. When you drop down, you just want to watch your fingers not to get pinched. And you're down. Queen walk around bed. This strap holds your mattress. If you have pillows up there, it'll hold the pillows, hold your comforter in place so it doesn't fly down at the end. You got light switch. You've got USB charging, drawers, hanging storage. The Rollershade does close off that front window to give you some privacy. Receptacle, your blackout roller shades here. The windows do open. More storage, more drawers. Putting this Murphy bed back up, you've got this locking pin here. You cannot move the bed up without pulling that lever. That's nice too if you're sitting up at the end of the bed's not going to tip on you. Safety feature. Pull the lock, and you can really lift it right from there. And then you've got the bed up. And sofa back into sitting area like so. Curtain that will go around the bed, but there's your privacy. As you can see, linoleum throughout, flush slide, no carpet. Shelves are adjustable. You got hanging storage if you need it, or like a pantry basically. We looked at the VRV controls, your solar controller, drawers, charging area drops down into the countertop. Your TV does rotate. It is a smart TV, 12 volt. So you can see it from the bed, you can see it from the dinette. The kitchen, you've got countertop extension and dual strainers, but gives you that flat surface to utilize if you need. Prep area, same as on the 3-burner range. You can flip this up, use it as a splash guard, but now you've got your cooking area, your nice large Magic Chef oven, drawers, you got some dividers, soap dish, your exhaust does exhaust outside, and your microwave is at a good height. Ducted AC, your dinette. So this is in the down position. Easy way to make it right into a bed. Put the cushions on it like so. You can remove these back cushions if you need a little more length. But that's a nice way to get you your second sleeping area where you can sleep one adult, two kids comfortably. Table up, easy to move out, no pedestal in the way. You can take the table down, use it as a coffee table outside, move it around, whatever's convenient. And you do have a receptacle in the dinette. And in the down position, you got the Velcro to hold the table in place. Overhead light. Fire escape window does open, and you got roller shades. Both windows open to give you cross breeze. And overhead shocks that hold those up. Underneath, nice drawers. And then more storage. Again, basically a little shallow pantry. You've got your QR code for your owner's manual. And then also you've got the book in here that gives you everything you need, nice and organized, easy to use. The freezer down low. Magic Chef gives you the mirrored look, but then also the dual hinge, so you can open it from either way. So say you're coming out of the bathroom, you needed a drink, you could open it from either side. Your thermostat, little magnet that holds the bathroom door like so. Nice bathroom, foot flush porcelain toilet, glass enclosed shower with the overhead skylight, Maxxair fan with the cover on the roof, deep storage, deep countertop, receptacles, lights, towel bars. You do have air ducts inside. You also have heat duct down low. In the shower, you got shower miser. I'm 6'5". I can stand up. I'm just in the skylight. So plenty of room if you're tall in the shower. Your brand new 2025 Forest River ROCKWOOD Mini LITE 2214S. We'll work our way outside so you can take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, you see the automotive windshield, LED light up front, two 30-pound LP bottles. You've got your power tongue jack with LED light, 7-pin and chain holder, like so. You've got a dual battery box, rock guard up front. Your docking light controls are here for that. 2214's got a dry weight of 5,290 pounds. A little modified pass-through storage here. Some goodies because you got the Murphy bed. Slam latch compartments. Nice, easy to use latch. And you've got the magnet to hold it up. Frameless windows. We ordered this with the slide topper with the slide out. Nice little storage area here and here under that dinette. Your black and gray pull valves. Obviously this has not been washed. We do desalt everything when it comes in, so it will not have this stuff on it once they're cleaning. 30 amp service, your convenience area, black tank flush, water, winterization, cable and satellite hookups. Spare tire mounted on the bumper with a cover. You got a receiver on the back for a 300-pound rating. It's nice for a bike rack, storage bin. You've got hot and cold outside shower. Factory installed ladder. It's got a 250-pound weight rating. We'll take a look at the roof. Got up on the roof your solar panel, roof vent, Maxxair fan and cover, skylight, slide topper, your AC, nice clean roof. You are prepped for a backup camera. Controls here for your rear stabilizer jacks. LP quick connect. You got a prep table and a griddle that hook right on the front. Full length power awning with LED lights. And you got outside speakers. You can bring your TV outside, hook that right up to your cable and power. Back side of your furnace and your hot water heater. And you got Goodyear endurance tires. Exhaust for your range. Large assist handle. The other side of your pass-through storage. It is prepped for a portable solar panel. That'll give you a good trickle charge on those batteries. Control here for your front stabilizer jacks. Fully enclosed heated underbelly. Friction hinge on the door stays where you leave it. You do have the slam latch there on the screen door, which is by Lippert, the screenshot. Then your step above entry steps fold right down, adjustable legs. Your 2025 Forest River ROCKWOOD 2214S. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, slide in. With this table in the down position, you can get through here. You can get in the fridge, the bathroom, no issues. So I would say table in the down position, you can get through. It is tight. You can't open the Murphy bed with the slide in. That does have to be out. But once you get through here, no issues with fridge or bathroom.